In this video, we are going to understand the core components of a Geographic Information System, or GIS. These components work together to collect, manage, analyze, and visualize spatial data. Understanding them is essential because GIS is not just software. It is a complete system that integrates technology, data, and human decision-making. A GIS is built on 5 main components: hardware, software, data, people, and methods. Each of these plays a critical role. If even one component is weak or missing, the entire system becomes less effective. So to truly understand GIS, we need to look at how each of these elements contributes to the overall process. The first component is hardware. This includes all the physical devices required to run GIS: computers, servers, GPS units, and storage systems. Powerful hardware allows us to process large datasets efficiently, especially when working with high-resolution imagery or complex spatial analysis. The second component is software. GIS software provides the tools needed to store, analyze, and visualize spatial data. It allows users to create maps, perform spatial analysis, and generate meaningful outputs. Without software, the data cannot be processed or interpreted effectively. The third and most important component is data. GIS depends entirely on data, especially spatial data that represents locations and features on the Earth. This includes maps, satellite imagery, survey data, and attribute information. Accurate and reliable data is the foundation of any successful GIS project. The fourth component is people. GIS is not just about technology. It requires skilled individuals who can analyze data, interpret results, and make decisions. From data collectors to analysts and decision-makers, people are the driving force behind every GIS application. The fifth component is methods. Methods refer to the procedures and workflows used to collect, analyze, and manage data. These include standard practices, models, and techniques that ensure consistency and accuracy in GIS operations. When all these components work together, GIS becomes a powerful tool. Hardware processes the data, software analyzes it, data provides the information, people interpret the results, and methods guide the entire workflow. This integration is what makes GIS so effective in solving real-world problems. Implementing GIS isn't just about technology. It comes with real challenges. Limited and inconsistent data reduces accuracy, while a shortage of skilled professionals slows progress. Legacy systems make integration difficult, and high costs restrict adoption, especially for smaller organizations. Together, these barriers create friction in successful GIS implementation. As you continue learning GIS, focus on building each component step by step. Learn how to handle data properly, understand tools deeply, and develop problem-solving skills. This balanced approach will help you become more confident and capable in real-world applications. In conclusion, GIS is a complete system made up of interconnected components. When used correctly, it allows us to transform raw data into meaningful insights. The more you understand these components, the better you can use GIS to analyze the world and contribute to smarter decisions.